What's up, YouTube? Today, we're going to be opening some straight nostalgia. We're going to be opening one pack each. I know it looks a little clickbaity. One pack each of Pharaoh Guardian, Blue Eyes. In here, there is also a Metal Raiders pack, a Labyrinth of Nightmare, and Magician's Force. So 5 total old school packs. Courtesy 416 rare cards. Some awesome old school product. Definitely check him out. Just around the corner from me. I didn't even realize until a few months ago. So, small world. But without further ado, I'm going to get cracking. Just have them in these boxes just because it's more of a nostalgia rush just to also open the box as if it's a full box. These aren't even full of Pharaoh Guardian. There's other packs in there too. But so there we go with the Blue Eyes and Magic Ruler. And Magician's Force and Labyrinth of Nightmare. I'm not sure which order I'm going to open them in just yet. But yeah, these are some awesome old school. I'm not going to open that many packs. Probably just about, yeah, so 5 total packs. But without further ado, get right into it. I don't know which order I'm going to go with. Probably going to go, yeah, I'll start with the Labyrinth of Nightmare. Why not? Some really awesome cards in there. Mass Beasts would be one that I'm looking at. A little sniff of nostalgia. All right, let's start it off. We have a Unfriendly Amazon, Swordsman of Landstar, Bait Doll, Forgiving Maiden, and Jam Breeding Machine. Soul Purity and Light, Deal Phantom, Flying Fish, and Crimson Sentry. So we didn't start off great. But yeah, make sure you go check out 416 Rare Cards on Instagram. And I guess this will be for all my Instagram followers as well. Make sure you sub into my YouTube channel because I will probably be posting this there first. So, without further ado, or actually, as we continue, because we've already started, we'll go with, yeah, Pharaoh Guardian pack. These are the only ones that are first edition, but really, does it even matter with these old school iconic packs? Just, again, pure nostalgia. All right. Oh, whoa. What the hell? Yeah, there's a holo on the first fucking card. No way. Are these the misprint packs? Oh my god. Bro. 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 Are you kidding me? Yo. I gotta stop the video. Bro. Did you reseal these or some shit? Are you fucking kidding me? 5 fucking holos out of 1 pack? Satsuki Samurai, Necro Valley, Fusion Reiki, Dark Room of Nightmare and Night Reaper. Are you kidding me? Are you serious right now? Is this one of the misprint packs? Did you not notice? Oh my god. Okay, guys, and we're back. I had to take a minute there because that was unreal. I had to call my boy at 416 Rare Cards there to let him know what just happened. We got 5 holos in 1 pack, 4 super rares, and 1 ultra rare. Unbelievable. The funny thing is, just last week we were talking. I was talking with him, and he was saying that he got a bunch of Pharaonic Guardian packs, had crazy holo ratio in them, not crazy holo ratio in them, it had, again, a bunch of holos, multiple holos per pack. He showed me a video of it happening with the holos right at the front there. So as soon as I saw that the holo was right at the front, I knew. And it was the same packs, Pharaonic Guardians, so he was saying that he just must have missed it or something. But yeah, it came with these 3 cards as well. Only 8 cards in the pack. Actually scaling it out, it was the same weight as one of these open packs with a rare in it. So that's pretty interesting. But just unreal. Yeah, Fusion Reichi, I don't even know how to say it. Satsuki Samurai, Reaper of the Nightmare, Necro Valley, awesome field spell, one of the best, and Darkroom of Nightmare, all first edition, mint condition. They all look great. Just unbelievable. Unbelievable. So yeah, I had to stop the video, cut it for a second, call my guy, and yeah, we talked about how he just must have missed one of the packs. That's unreal. I've seen that before on some openings online, and I've just heard about it before, but I've never pulled it for myself. So now going through that, it's one of the craziest things ever. I can't believe it. It's unreal. You can't really ask for much better. Definitely check out my guy on Instagram, 416 Rare Cards. It just, yeah, he has some awesome old school stuff. Maybe you can get lucky too and pull some misprint packs, I guess you could call it. Get right into this one. See if I can get a nostalgic sniff, because these are the original Konami logo. Still has that old school smell. All right. So right off the bat, we're not doing as good as a Pharaonic Guardian. Just kidding. Can't expect that again. All right. So, Peacock. It's an amazing common. I always like that. Just nice and simple. Wall Shadow. Stone Ogre Grotto. Gaia Power. And Flying Kamakari, #1. Mechanical Snail. Slot Machine. Guardian of the Throne Room, and a Labyrinth Wall. All right. So, now, down to our last 2 packs for this opening. I don't know which one I want to open first. MFC or LOB. Well, I haven't gone in any particular order, and I've opened more LOB than I have MFC, so might as well go with one of these guys. So, can we use the heart of the cards to pull a ultra rare here, or a secret rare? Can we pull the alternate art Blue Eyes, which I have one of the only cards from LOB, which I don't have. Right, come on, butchered the pack, obviously. So, from the start, we have a green Phantom King, Hitsumi Giant, Laser Cannon Armor, Petite Angel, and Flame Ghost. So, no holo there. Mizurami, Yami, Woody Phantom, and Kagamushe Blue Flame. I just can't believe that to get a a misprint pack like that. It's just amazing. All right, now for the grand finale. Magician's Force. I haven't opened one of these in God knows how long, and it was definitely like the least open pack that I have opened. So, with that being said, Heart of the Cards again. Maybe we can get a Dark Paladin or something. Maybe even DMG. Imagine. Alright, so started off, we have a Hidden Book of Spell, Royal Magical Library, Rare Gold Armor, Magical Merchant, and a Rare Dark Blade. Atsu, Dark Cat Whitetail, Exhausting Spell, and Giant Orc. So, didn't end with a holo, but with that being said, we made up with it on all of the other packs that, or for all the other packs that we didn't get a holo. Getting this awesome misprint pack. Just amazing. Anyways, but until then, hope you enjoyed. Again, peace.